We're going to head to a place called Culver's, and I'm going to get a double cheeseburger. Culver's came from the Midwest, Wisconsin. So I'm going to get some good cheese. You know they have cheese curds there. You want to try cheese curds? No. My wife says no to cheese curds. But this is Mike. Eats the street. Let's go eat it. Never been to a Culver's. Supposed to have a really good burger here, so I'm looking forward to it. There's the Culver's. There's the butter burgers. And they got, we'll just get regular fries. The deluxe comes with onions, so if you don't want onions, say no onions. You can just get a butter burger, single or a double. There's the sides, crinkle cut fries. Okay.
For you.
Hey, can I get a deluxe double?
Just the sandwich or in the basket?
No, we'll get some fries with that and a soda. You got a Coke or just a Pepsi, one of those?
I have Pepsi if that's okay.
Yep, and then a single. You want a single? A single butter burger with cheese, no onion on that one, okay?
Okay, so you wanted a double cheese, or a double deluxe, right?
Correct.
With the fries and then a Pepsi, and then you wanted a single cheeseburger?
Yes, with no onion on that one.
All right. Is that just by itself?
By itself, but well, actually, I want a small an onion ring also.
Okay.
But no soda with that one, okay?
All right. Anything else I can get for you?
No, sounds good.
1527 out the window.
Thank you. This fry, this crinkle cut's gorgeous. Not bad. I mean, it tastes like a French fry. I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to buy one of these. Here, this is the double deluxe. Maybe that sauce is for the burger, because I don't see any sauce on this. Oh no, there's mayo on there. All right. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Culver's. Looks like a mouthful. Let's try it. I mean, it's a gorgeous looking burger. I'm not getting a lot of taste out of it right now. Let me see. Try another bite. Because it's again, look at it. It's beautiful. The meat looks good. I mean, everything looks good, but I'm not getting a lot of taste out of it. Is it me? Do I have COVID and it's affected my taste buds? I hope not. It's better than a lot of places, that's for sure. Culver's. I just need a little zazazoo from it. They say it's the butter bun. I don't see anything different about this bun. I'd say it's okay. Give it about a 6 or 7. Mike Eats the Street. Live Life 365. YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
You ready? You guys ready? Did you want a soda?
Are you gonna take it home?
No, I'm gonna eat it right. I'm gonna take a bite right now.
Okay.
What do you want? We're close to home. Want to do it at home?
No, we can do it. I can sit here. If we're gonna
Okay.
eat here, I
Yeah.
get a soda.
Okay. Then I'll get you the value basket. This is gonna be our new place. So look at here. I'm at Culver's. Look at. I have to wait. They gave me the numbers. I'm 119. How did they know my age? Oh, sorry. And then I just wait. This person who's 120 pulled up. So I'm right here next to the garbage can, which, I mean, come on. I mean, what could be better than be sitting next to a garbage can waiting for food? Right? That's what I'm talking about. Wear your mask. I've never heard of... So Culver's is from Wisconsin. Small town in Wisconsin. They've got hundreds of restaurants throughout the country. Never seen one in my life till I came here to southern Utah. And everything I read online says they make a pretty good burger. It's called a butter burger. They butter the buns. They don't freeze the meat. That's like In-N-Out. They don't freeze the meat. They do all the, knock it off. Take that off. They don't freeze the meat. They make everything fresh. We're gonna see if this tastes good. So I'll be with you in a second. I take a picture of my wife, but she doesn't like me today. So there she is. Just say hi. Tell people you hate me. Yeah, she can't help it. Just can't help it. Here it comes. No, I need a napkin. Can you grab me a napkin? What was my name of my burger? Deluxe. Right? I'm gonna get the burger right now.
Save the sauces.
How come I can't get my burger?
Get in there. Take this back from me.
Maybe I have to put that on the burger. Oh, there's a bunch of napkins on the bottom. Look at them all.
I'm not sure what the sauce is
Look at them all.
for.
Look at them all. All right, can you take this back, please? All right, let's try to be a little quiet for 1 second. Maybe it's for the burger. Maybe there's nothing on the burger. All right. My wife said there's a bunch of sauces in there. Maybe you need that sauce to give it a little more zing. What do you think, baby?
I'm only had like 2 bites.
See how the burger comes out like that? I think it could be warmer. Do you think so? Mm-hmm. Could be warmer. Yeah, maybe that's it. All these guys had to do was put this in the microwave for 10 seconds and it would have been a great burger. So, it doesn't make any sense to me. Baba.
I do kind of like it though.
No, I think it has potential to be really good, except it wasn't executed well.
Can we just sit here and eat?
Yeah, you sit there and eat. I'm gonna nuke this when I get home.